How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to do a quick little video about transferring artwork from one piece of paper to another. But before we do that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and, let's get ready to rock. So the way I normally transfer artwork is to use my light board. It's not the greatest light board in the world. It's old. It's made out of an old fluorescent light that I built myself, but it does the trick. It does what I need it to do, which is shine light through paper. Other ways that you can go about transferring your artwork from one piece of paper to another is transfer paper. Basically, carbon paper. Comes in different colors. You can go black, gray, white. I've even seen it in red, blues, greens. You can use this. You put your paper over the transfer paper, and then you trace it. That's all there is to it. Really not that difficult. Another way is to put the image up on your TV screen. You can put it on your TV screen, tape a piece of paper over your TV screen, and you can trace it that way. As long as it's shining light through the paper, you're set. On that same note, if I have to do something that is over 22 inches by 22 inches, which is the size of my homemade light board, I'll tape it to a window. As long as there's enough light outside and the light is shining through the paper, there you go. You're ready to work. Then all it is tracing. Now, just because you're tracing doesn't mean you're stuck doing exactly what's there. You can improvise. As you can see in the drawing that I'm doing, I am adjusting things a little bit as I go along. I've moved my vine out. I wanted it to be holding another little glass ball. Now, obviously, tracing is tedious work. It's not always fun. It definitely isn't entertaining, but sometimes you have to do it. Now, if you're tracing your own work, that's fine. But clearly, you should not be tracing other people's work. Now, don't get me wrong. Tracing can be a very valuable learning tool. You can use it to learn proportions and shading and form. Don't underestimate what you can learn from tracing another person's drawing. But always keep it in mind that tracing someone's drawing does not make it your drawing. Now, since this piece is going to be done in Inktense blocks, I don't want my pencil lines to be solid and show through the Inktense. So to do this, rather than using a normal pencil, I've opted to use the Faber-Castell water-soluble graphites. These should blend in very naturally with the Inktense as I'm working. I use the HB pencil because it's the lightest one I have in my set. And this is where I'm going to bring it to an end. I hope you enjoyed this video and it might help you in the future. If so, let me know. Don't forget, you can like and subscribe this channel and hit that bell, as well as following me on the various social media networks. All the links will be listed below in the description. So give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Don't forget, you can watch other videos and playlists. And in the next video, we're going to be throwing some color on this piece. That's it for now. See you next time, and I hope you'll come back for more.